I broke my hair bow. My hair bow's broke.
Please do not grab camera on. Alright, come on. Faster and higher. Faster. Oh, it's about to go to 3, 2, 1. No, it didn't.
Alright guys, 5, 4.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God, dude! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! It's so scary to go upside down backwards. Oh. Man, like, I just felt like I was in a rocket ship or something. Like, just shooting up.
My hair broke.
Oh, jeez. That was so fun, dude. This is the best thing I've ever been on.
My hair bow.
Let me see.
How was that?
That was good.
Awesome.
For the difference?
Yeah.
Yes.
Big difference.
Legs up.
Thanks up.
Alright guys, try to buckle your seatbelts and let's not relax. Look at that.